Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a Casabella spray mop review. So yesterday I did an extra small fall haul from Burlington Coat Factory, and this was one of the items that I purchased. I was excited about it because I was using the Swiffer for a nice while and really needed a change, and I believe I have found it. It's so sleek and it's cute. It's gray and it's lime green. Oh, I just love it. I just love the look of it, actually. So we're about to see how it turns out. And this is my Bona, which I use on my floors. And my floors are the tongue and groove faux wood flooring. And so I can't use too many different things on it. It's easily to warp if it's too much water in it and things of that nature. So I found that Bona really helps. And the Swiffer was pretty good too, but it was extremely lightweight, or at least that's what I thought. But this one here, did you guys just see that spray? It sprayed out so nice and so evenly, and the strokes on the floor were just great. It was smooth. I really like it. Not just the look, of course, even though I do like the look, but it works pretty well. The pad under it was pretty thick too, and it seemed like it was just gliding even with the thickness of the pad. But oh look, I sprayed it again. But I thought it was nice. I don't know what else to say about it except for it really worked well. Even though it's lightweight too, it still seems pretty durable. So I'm going to leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. But again, I purchased it from Burlington Coat Factory for only $16.99. They also had the matching regular mop too, and I bought that as well. So if you didn't see my video yesterday, I'll link that below too. So take a look-see at my extra small fall haul. So here we go. Look at those floors just shining. And also, it dried pretty quickly too. So I was able to put my chairs back and put everything back right after I mopped it up. We'll see how this floor lasts with 3 children running around. But it did good. I think you guys should try it out as well. So here are my floors, all nice and clean, thanks to the Casabella spray mop. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to see when I'll be uploading my next video. Thanks so much again for watching.